Beginner and intermediate drummers often mistakenly think that they'll play louder if they use more muscles or arm motion when drumming, but it ends up slowing them down and, ironically, creates less power. Drum instructors try to help by making comments like, "You have to drum through the head," or "You're playing with light touch," but this often creates a rigid technique that tries to force the power, rather than letting physics do the work for them. So how can you drum louder without slowing down? This equation can help, so let's unpack each part. Velocity is both the speed and direction your stick moves. How quickly you move the stick into the drum head and the angle of that motion will have a huge impact on how loud you'll sound. For example, here's what it sounds like when I play with a slow stroke, and here's what it sounds like when I play with a fast stroke. Did you notice they both started at the same height, but sounded completely different? That's because how high you play isn't as important as how fast the stick is moving into the head. An accent just gives you more time to increase the speed of the stick compared to a tap. But again, it's the speed that matters more than the height. But the direction of motion also matters because a slicing stroke creates a weaker sound quality than playing straight into the drum. Here's what it sounds like when you slice. And here's what it sounds like when you play straight into the drum. So it doesn't matter how much arm you use or how much you strain your muscles. If you want to play loud, you have to play with a fast motion straight into the head. But the second part of this equation is also important to know if you want to play loud without injury. The more kinetic energy we can transfer from a drumstick into a drum, the louder it will sound. For example, if you wrap a drumstick in a towel, it's going to sound softer than playing without the towel because the towel absorbs some of the kinetic energy. The same is true for how much hand contact you have on the stick while you play. The more you squeeze the stick, the more your hand absorbs the sound. For example, here's what it sounds like to play at the same velocity while I gradually loosen the amount of hand contact I have on the stick. So if you want to drum louder, increase your velocity while relaxing your grip. But if you're not sure how to relax your hands, these playlists can help, as I've got hundreds of drumming lessons and tips, like the daily stretch and massage routine I do to stay relaxed, how to recover after practicing, and many more. Check out my YouTube channel's home tab for thousands of free exercises. Use timestamps in the description to jump to a specific BPM or drumming tip.